Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Now, last class, we had studied the chapter. Which chapter we had studied? Last class, we had learned about health and hygiene, how to be healthy and how to maintain the hygiene at home, everywhere, and yourself. So, how you should be healthy? What all you have to do to be healthy? That means to be strong by body and mind, and how to maintain the hygiene. So, all this we had learned in previous chapter. Now, today let us learn something new, that is recreation. Lesson number 8. Lesson number 8, recreation. What is the meaning of recreation? So, what is the meaning of recreation? Recreation means something, some work where you are doing then apart from your regular work. Now, your regular duty is going to school. You will study, come back home in the evening. Again, you go for tuition. Again, you study, you come back, you do your homework, then you have food and you will sleep. Again, next day morning, again, same thing. You will get up, you will get ready. You are going to school. So, this is your routine work, your regular work. And Sundays, what you do? Apart from this Sundays, you don't go to school. You will be free. Whole day you will be free. So, that freeness, you can do anything. Okay, so you can do anything during freeness of your time. That is leisure time. Okay, so freeness time is nothing but leisure time. So Sunday you will be full free. You can do whatever you want. You will be enjoying so much. And apart from studying, you do something else, some other activities. What activity you will do? You will be doing drawing, or you will be playing some other activity than regular routine work. So that makes your mind free, healthy, freshness. So that is known as recreation. Okay, doing some activity. Doing some activity. Activity freely. Doing some activity freely. There is no restrictions for that. Your mind, whatever you feel free, everything you will be doing, and that is known as recreation. By doing this, your mind will be free. You will feel fresh and so happy you will be feeling. So that is known as recreation. So today let us study what all they do. Each person will have their own way of doing some activities. So it's not that same thing everybody do. Now one, they like going for walk or jogging, free time, they mingle with their friends and they go for walk. It's not a walk is in the sense, it's not like a walk for the exercise they are going. No, it is just for a time pass. All friends they meet and they go together on a walk, on a long walk near the park or something. That is to make their mind free. So each person, they have different ways to recreate themselves. So today let us study who all will do what all activities for their recreation to make their mind free. Okay, children, now I want you all to open the textbook. Open your textbook now, page number 202. Page 202, 202, and I will start reading, and in the same way I will be explaining it to you also. Okay, now recreation. We go to school to learn new things. Our parents go out to work. Everyone has a daily routine. Okay, now what is this here? That we go to school to learn new things. Of course, we come to school for what? To learn all new things. We'll be learning how to study, reading, everything. So overall, you go to school to study new things. And our parents go out to work. Now your parents will be working. They go out for working, your father will go to office, your mother also will go to office, or she may go to school, she'll be your mother will be teacher in some school. So these are the things, parents go out to work. And everyone has a daily routine. Now, as I told you, everyone, each and every person has got their own daily routine. So, daily routine means every day, this is the regular thing. You come to school, you go back home, this. And your parents, they go to work, they come back from work. And your uncle, aunt, whoever, and your sister, brother, they go to college, they come back from. So from Monday till Saturday, this is what happens every day. Every day doing same thing is called the routine work. Routine means the same thing you are doing continuously. So each person will have their own routines. They go out to work or study in the morning and return in the evening. So many of them, now it's mixed. You can tell they'll go work. Overall, people, they go out to work, and some of them may go to study also. And in the evening, they come back home. On or study, we need rest. Okay. Now they come back. After that, what will happen? They return in the evening. After a day's hard work or study, we need rest. So after a day's hard work, that means morning they go, whole day they'll be working hard, and you all will be studying in the school, writing, reading, everything will be there. So what happens? Once you come back home, you need a rest. There should be some rest, otherwise you will be exhausted. We also like to have fun with our family. So what will happen? Along with that, you like to have fun with our family, means with your parents, your sister, brother, anybody, whoever is there, you like to have some fun, enjoyment. And friends also, with your friends also, you like to go and play with your friends. You like to sit and chat with your friends. So even your parents may feel they need to speak to their friends for some time. They need to go out here and there. So all these things will happen. So they feel all these things. What we do in our free time to enjoy is called recreation. So what happens for their enjoyment, for their mind freeness, what they do, they have to go with their friends. They like to go. And that thinking is known as recreation. So for their enjoyment, for their happiness, whatever they do, what activity they do, that is called recreation. Okay. Now understood, children, what is recreation means? The free time, or after your tiredness, you feel you need some time, freeness. At that moment, what you feel, either you want to chat with your friends or you want to go out somewhere. So that activity, what you feel, happiness, and that is known as recreation. We do many things to relax and feel fresh. Of course, you do many things. Each person will do different things. Everybody will not do same thing. So whatever you do for your relaxing, then your mind will feel fresh. So now you feel fresh when you go with your friends, walking and talking along with them. Nicely will be chatting and going. So once you come back home, you feel so fresh, you will be happy. So that is your relaxing time. You will relax. You will give relax for your mind also. Some children like to play indoors, and along with that, some of them, what they do, it's not only drawing or something, they like to do indoor games, indoor activities. Some children, so there are so many indoor activities during leisure time also. They like to read, draw, paint, sing, and dance. So there are so many types where they feel their mind relaxed, where they feel themselves to be recreated through these activities. That is reading books. They may go to library, sit for some time with full of silence and read the books. And they may like to draw, drawing, and then painting, singing and dancing. Some children, they go for singing class, music class, and some of them, they go for dance class. So there they meet friends, they chat with them, they dance, they listen to the music and they'll be dancing. So there will be so many activities. And when you go apart from regular studies, when you go for other curricular activities, your mind will be refreshed. You feel very happy. You feel your mind is relaxed. Okay. Children also like to play indoor games like Ludo, chess, and caroms. So children, they like to play Ludo games, chess, and carom. At home also, you will be playing. Once you get the vacation, what you do? You take your parents also, your friends also, your relatives, everyone in group. You all sit and you start playing chess, carom board. All this whole day you'll be playing, you'll be enjoying. So you forget about studying and you forget about your routine work, what all you do other days. So during vacation time and the holiday that comes on Sunday, all these activities you will be doing so that your mind will be refreshed. Watching TV is also a form of recreation. Now, watching TV is also a form of recreation. Of course, watching TV, it is a form of recreation only. But it is not that watching TV means morning till evening, sit and watch. No, that is not good. But certain episodes, whatever you like, cartoon shows, and just for half an hour now, after some time again sit and watch for half an hour. So like this, there should be a breakup time and your favorite channels at particular moment, particular time, it will be coming. So at that time, you can sit and watch. So watching TV also is a part of recreation. And during holidays, you can sit with your family members, watch some funny games, funny movies, all these comedy movies. So all this will be like an entertainment. You'll be enjoying with your family. Some children like to play outdoors. So some of them, they like to play outdoor games. Outdoor games means there will be so many games like cycling, football, throw ball, yes or no, cricket, all these things are there. So some children, what they do, they like to go in group with their friends and they go and play outdoor games. They like to play cricket and football. So they all like to play cricket, football. Cricket is the crazy game for all the children. Everyone likes to play cricket. They like to ride a bicycle, play on a swing or a seesaw. So they like to play. What they like to play? Bicycle also. They like to ride cycle, swing and seesaw. So outdoor games keeps us fit and healthy. Why you have to play outdoor games? Outdoor games keeps you healthy and fit. So outdoor games. Outdoor games keep fit and healthy. Outdoor games keeps you fit and healthy. It will be like an exercise for your body. So once you start playing outside, you'll be jumping, running, everything you will be doing. So it will be an exercise for your bones and muscles. As you have studied in previous class, outdoor games, playing, jumping, walking, running, all this makes your body fit and healthy. So that is how outdoor games will be good for all of them, where it makes a person healthy person, a fit person. Okay. Now, I will stop till here, children, half lesson. This is very small lesson, okay? But still, in one this thing only, if I complete, it will be confusing for you. It will be too much for you to read, okay? Now, I'll stop till here. And once again, from the beginning, I'll read. In between, I'll explain it to you so that it will be easy. After that, I'll give you hard words for you to practice. Okay. After that, in next class, we'll end up with other remaining half of the lesson and exercises we'll do in the next class. Okay. Now, till here I have stopped. Outdoor games keep us fit and healthy. Okay. Now, from the beginning, again I'll read. Okay, children. Recreation, that is free time and it's a pleasure time for you all. Okay. Now, I'll read. We go to school to learn new things. Our parents go out to work. Everyone has a daily routine. They go out to work or study in the morning and return in the evening. After a day's hard work or study, we need rest. We also like to have fun with our family and friends. What we do in our free time to enjoy is called recreation. Beginning itself, I told, in your free time, that is leisure time, what you do is known as recreation. We do many things to relax and feel fresh. So many things we'll be doing to feel ourselves relaxed and fresh. Some children like to play indoors. They like to read, draw, paint, sing, and dance. Indoor activities. What are indoor activities? Now you all will be knowing what is indoor activity. Where you do inside, not outside. Inside means inside the room, inside doors. You don't sit outside. So that is called indoor activities. Indoor activities. So what are indoor activities? How many of them are there indoor activities? They have given here. Read, draw, okay, and paint. Reading, drawing, painting, then sing, and dance. Okay, so reading, drawing, painting, singing, and dancing. All these will be inside the doors, indoor. So all these are indoor activities. Okay, so many children, they love to read, they love to draw. Drawing is a craze for all the children. Any child likes to drawing everything. Painting also, they play with the paints also. Singing and dance, many of them, they opt. It's an optional where they have the liking towards music and all, then they go for singing classes, then dancing classes. So all these are a kind of recreation, refreshness for your mind, where you feel fresh. Okay. Now, other games, children also like indoor games. Which are those others? It may be Ludo, chess, and carom. Now, you all love to play Ludo. Now, Ludo in that there are so many things, snake and ladder, then chess, then carom, all this sitting in the house, sitting inside only, you all play all these activities. So these are also called as indoor activities. Now, watching TV is also a form of recreation. So, watching TV also is a recreation. Some children like to play outdoors. Outdoor games, they like to play cricket and football. They like to ride a bicycle, play on a swing or a seesaw. Outdoor games keep us fit and healthy. Okay, now how they like to play indoor games, same thing, outdoor activities also are there. Outdoor games are football, cricket, okay, then bicycle, riding bicycle, and playing swing, seesaw, etc. Okay, so all these are outdoor activities. Children, they like, children as well as elderly people also, they like to play football, cricket for their mind freshness. So all these activity by playing outside also, your mind will be refreshed, recreated. Okay, children, now till here I have stopped. I'll give you hard words, I'll write down. Okay, now I'll write few hard words. See that you learn those hard words. Hard words. Everyone. Everyone. Then routine. 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 Then next is recreation. Recreation. Okay. Then relax. Relax. And then bicycle. Return. Return. Now, write down all these hard words 3 times. All these hard words 3 times and practice. Okay. Everyone. 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 ROUTINE. Routine. RECREATION. Recreation. RELAX. Relax. BICYCLE. Bicycle. RETURN. Return. Okay. Now practice these hard words. Now beside I'll write your assignment. Copy down quickly. Now your assignment. Assignment. Learn and write. Question answers. Question answers from Lesson 6. My school. My school. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. One time. Refer classwork. Okay, children, refer classwork book. For this, you have, because for you they have sent notes, PDF, My School, lesson number 6. Questions 1, 2, 3 questions. Write one time. For that, you refer your classwork notes and write down. Okay, children, now copy down this quickly. Okay, I hope you all have copied. Now, see that you study the lesson, read the lesson. Every day you have to read the lesson, then only you will come to know the what this thing is there in the lesson. You will come to know the meaning of all the hard words, everything what I have given. Okay, see that you practice all the words, hard words, everything, spellings, and you have to read the lesson to know everything overall. It's not a particular question answer you have to by heart. If you keep by hearting, then later once you forget one word, the whole answer you will forget. You will not be able to remember. So instead of by hearting, what you do is you read every day. Once you start reading every day, automatically everything will be in your mind. Okay, children. Now by this, I'll end up the class. See you in next class. Okay, children. Thank you.